Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you chapter first, living and non-living things. Class third, remaining part of this chapter. Previous video I discussed living things and non-living things. What is living things? What is non-living things? And characteristics of living things and non-living things. First of one, characteristics: move. Second one, grow. Third one, food. Previous video I discussed characteristics of living things: move, need move, grow and need food. Today I will discuss the remaining part of this chapter, characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Number 4, we need breathe. Number 4, need breathe. Animal beings need breath through various types of properties. Like human beings breathe through lungs, like as and another cat, dog, horse also breathe through lungs. Another example, fish breathe it through fins. That means animal beings like fish breathe through gills. Then another insects like cockroach breathe whole sides of this body. So living things breathe in, but also as well as plants breathe in as pores of this leaf is called stomata. So plants breathe through stomata, a pores hollow. Side leaves that likes leaf are one leaf. Here we are seeing under the microscope, then shown this leaf, a side part of this, some pores of holes is called stomata. Then plants breathe through stomata, but non-living things, chair, table, fence, blackboard, green board, chalk, do not breathe, or no breathing process. So living things need breathe through various types of breathing system. Next one, number 5, reproduce. New plant. Reproduce new plants. Reproduce new plants. What is reproduce new plants? Reproduce means a new plant is same. A new plant is same. New plant is same. Only not only new plants, whereas also animals. New plants or animals. And reproduce means a baby or a new plant is the same characteristics of that plant or of the animals. Is that clear? Like human beings, tiger, horse, cat, dog, etc. also reproduce their babies. Another birds like geese and lizard reproduce their babies through laying egg. Another example that comes plants are various types of by seed, by buds of leaves, by stem, like bryophyllum. Bryophyllum produced by buds of leaves. Then potato, eyes of potato stem, whereas bryophyllum potatoes, so and so on. So reproduce new plants or animals means new plants reproduce same characteristics of the plants or of the animals. Is that clear? So, characteristics of living things are total types of 5. I discussed all the characteristics of living things as well as non-living things. Now, difference between living things and non-living things. Difference between living things and non-living things. Difference between living and non-living things. Left side living things, and another side non-living things. Point of view, characteristics. Characteristics, living things move. Living things move, but non-living things cannot move. Living things move, but non-living things cannot move, like chair, table, pencil, green board, and so on. Second one, need food. Living things need food to to stay live and healthy, but non-living things did not need food. Third one, grow. Living things need grow like a baby child grow after few years and adult, but pencils, chalks, green boards did not grow up. Fourth one, breathe. Today I discuss breathe only on living things, but non-living things need not breathe. Last and fifth, reproduce. Living things reproduce same characteristics of their babies, but non-living things cannot reproduce. So, difference between living things and non-living things is the characteristics move, food, grow, breathe and reproduce. All the characteristics, living things and non-living things, different basis of characteristics. Is that clear? The chapter is mostly end, but the questions or remaining part I will discuss next